Hey guys, really quick video for you today. I just posted a question over on Quora that I want to ask you to head over there and answer. Question is, what's your biggest fear as a web developer, and how did you or how will you overcome that? And the reason I'm doing this, and I really want you to go over there and post, in fact, I'm going to disable comments on this video because I want you to go over there and post the answer there, is because I want to create a resource for, in particular, new developers, but I think developers as a whole, because I think we all face this sort of thing. We all have our own fears. And so I want to create a resource of the thing people have faced and then what they did to overcome them or how they're planning to overcome them, that I can then point to for all the people. I get emails all the time of a lot of these different things. And so I want to start creating a public resource and talking about this a little bit more openly. And so Quora is a really good platform for doing that. And so that's what I want to do. So I'm asking you to do me a favor to head on over there, look at that question, look at some of the answers that are there already, and then leave your answer over there as well. So the link for that Quora question will be in the description of this video. Just go ahead and head on over there and leave your answer. I'd really appreciate it. All right, that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.